Hello guys, this is Vineet again from Edge-Forex. Today is the 7th of August and we are looking at the Bitcoin hourly chart. One of our members who just joined our server who actually wanted us to do a video or analysis on the Bitcoin chart. And I said, okay, that's fine. We can look at Bitcoin, even though traditionally we only do analysis on Forex, but we'll make an exception and do analysis on Bitcoin chart. It's just a technical analysis, looking at the chart. We do not trade Bitcoin. We do not recommend trading Bitcoin. Just a caveat, because of totally different reasons. We are strictly a Forex trading forum, and we only deal in Forex charts. But as an exception, I'm going to take a stab at this chart. What I'm looking at this point is a Bitcoin hourly chart. Let's see how things look in the 4-hour chart. All right, so yeah, so clearly it was way, way, way oversold. So we were looking at extreme sentiment of 19 on RSI 21. That's really, really low. Not as low as one of the Forex sentiments that we saw, like in charts like CAD, CHF, EUR, CHF, anything CHF or Swiss franc related charts. So now there's a classic bounce after really, really, really oversold position. And let's go look at 1-hour chart again and see how we are faring here. Okay, so it's a clear, okay, everybody, again, we love divergences. So the first thing I see here is when the bottom hit, right before hitting, we saw that divergence. So let's look at that divergence right here. So the prices are moving lower, are making lower highs, lower lows, and they're moving lower here, but the RSI is not agreeing with the price. So that means a reversal is soon, and that is exactly what has happened here right now. And from the bottom of, say, around 50,000, and it's rallied all the way up to 57,000 and change. But it's still not overbought. It's in bull territory. Right now, it's about RSI is about 50. That means it's going in the direction that the bounce started with. But again, and it's nicely over. So bias clearly is bullish. So the short-term bias 100% is bullish because it created that perfect bottom and is not overbought yet, is in bullish territory. Right now, short-term bias is clearly bullish. We can draw a line. See, here, for example, we have this line here, and then so the latest trend line. No, this is fine. I think it's clearly as long as this is keeping up above this trend line. So let's just extend this trend line. Oops. As long as we are above this trend line and the RSI is keeping above 50, clearly the trend is on the positive. So a short term, if the idea is to take a short-term trade, I think the bias is definitely on the buy side, and you want to put a stop loss, the below the previous low here. So you want to put a stop loss right around this area. So if you were to take a trade, it would look something like long position and so that's looking at the next supply zone. Okay, so that's what your trade would look something like this. So your stop loss is rather tight, and then you're going up and you're taking a profit at around 60-ish. But that's like, a few days worth of trading. So that's how it looks to me. It's just going to play out, and I think it's going to go. Usually when Bitcoin goes, like it stays above 50 for a while, it tends to keep going higher and higher. And then I think that's what's, by looking at the chart, I think that's what's going to happen. So any comments, any questions, concerns, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to address them. All right, guys, I'll be talking to you soon about a couple of other trade setups that I want you guys to look at. Something is brewing on GBPUSD that I'm going to cover very, very shortly. You guys are gonna love it. I'll talk to you soon.